10 Best Performance Cam for 5.7 Hemi Ram 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. 5.7L HEMI MDS Delete Cam Kit and Gaskets. Tired of HEMI MDS headaches and inconsistent power delivery? Our 5.7L HEMI MDS Delete Cam Kit is your ultimate solution. Specifically engineered for 2009 to 2015 5.7L HEMI V8 engines in Ram, Durango, and Aspen, this comprehensive kit eradicates notorious MDS lifter failures, restoring your engine's reliability and signature V8 rumble. You get a precision, non-MDS camshaft that cleverly retains your VVT functionality, ensuring optimal performance without compromise. We include robust non-MDS lifters, essential MDS delete plugs, a full set of high-quality MLS head gaskets, timing cover gasket, and new head bolts. Everything needed for a complete, professional conversion. Enjoy consistent, uninhibited HEMI power and lasting peace of mind. Number 9. HEMI V8 MDS Camshaft. Chrysler Dodge Jeep. Is your HEMI V8 losing its punch, exhibiting rough idling, or decreased fuel efficiency? Revitalize your ride with our premium MDS camshaft, meticulously engineered for your 5.7L engine. This direct OE part 53022-372AA equivalent is precision crafted from durable materials to flawlessly restore that iconic HEMI power, torque, and smooth, efficient MDS function you love, ensuring perfect compatibility for numerous 5.7L HEMI V8s 2009 to 2019, including popular Challenger, Charger, Ram 1500, Grand Cherokee, and Chrysler 300 models. It delivers reliable and consistent engine performance. Prevent common camshaft issues like misfires and ticking. Trust an expert-approved solution to keep your HEMI running strong, true, and powerfully. Restore your legendary performance today. Number 8. Ram 1500 5.7L HEMI Camshaft and Lifter Kit, 2009 to 2018. Experiencing that telltale tick or lost power in your 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 5.7L HEMI? It's time to revitalize your ride with our premium MDS lifter and camshaft kit. This isn't just any kit. It's a precision-engineered direct replacement designed to perfectly match OEM specifications, addressing common HEMI issues and restoring peak performance. We've specifically tailored this kit for your Ram 1500 5.7L V8 from 2009 to 2018, ensuring a hassle-free install and bringing back that iconic HEMI power you love. Plus, it's also the perfect solution for 2009 Dodge Durango and Chrysler Aspen 5.7L owners seeking reliable components. Get ready to experience renewed power, smoother operation, and lasting reliability. Invest in the core of your HEMI and drive with confidence. Number 7. Ram 1500 5.7L HEMI Camshaft 2009 to 2020. Restore the powerful heart of your Ram 1500 with our premium 5.7L HEMI Camshaft. Part hashtag 5302263AF. If your engine's performance has started to lag, this precision-engineered component is your solution. Designed as a direct replacement, it offers extensive compatibility for countless 2009 to 2020 Ram 1500 models, including Laramie, Rebel, Sport, and Tradesman, plus select 2009 Aspen/Durango vehicles. Crafted from high-grade raw materials using excellent manufacturing technology, this camshaft ensures reliable quality and exceptional durability. It precisely actuates valve levers, guaranteeing optimal efficiency and stable performance from your valve mechanism. Regain that factory-fresh power and smooth operation your HEMI was built for. Drive with renewed confidence. Number 6. Amazon's Overhaul Pick. Experiencing a loss of power or a rough idle in your HEMI? It's time to reignite that legendary performance. Amazon's Overhaul Pick brings you the ultimate replacement. Our Ram 1500 5.7L HEMI MDS camshaft, complete with VVD and SRV technology. This isn't just any part. It's engineered to stringent OE specifications, like 5302263AF, guaranteeing a perfect fit and factory-level reliability for your 2009 to 2019 Ram 1500, 2009 Durango, or Chrysler Aspen. You'll instantly notice smoother engine operation, restored horsepower, and optimized fuel efficiency thanks to MDS. Don't let a failing camshaft hold you back. Upgrade with confidence and bring your powerful Hemi vehicle back to life, performing exactly as it should. Number 5. MDS Camshaft for 5.7 Hemi Ram/Durango. Is your 5.7 Hemi losing its growl or feeling sluggish? It might be time for a vital upgrade. Our MDS engine camshaft is precisely engineered for your Ram 1500, 2009, 2019, Durango 2009, or Chrysler Aspen 2009, with the iconic 5.7 Hemi V8. Designed as a direct replacement for part numbers like 5302-2263AF, this camshaft comes fully equipped with VVT and SRV functions, ensuring seamless integration and optimal engine performance. Each camshaft undergoes rigorous assembly testing, guaranteeing a perfect, direct fit without any modifications needed. Restore your truck or SUV's smooth operation and power, avoiding common issues from worn components. Experience worry-free driving and bring your Hemi back to life. Number 4. Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi Lifter Camshaft Gasket Kit 09-15. Is your Ram 1500's 5.7 Hemi feeling sluggish, or are you hearing that notorious lifter tick? Reclaim your engine's peak performance and quiet operation with our comprehensive lifter camshaft gasket kit. Engineered for 2009 to 2015 Ram 1500 Chrysler 300 models. This all-in-one package provides everything needed for a complete cylinder head refresh, including a high-quality camshaft, a full set of MDS and non-MDS lifters, durable plastic trays, and a crucial cylinder head gasket set. Designed for an exact fit, you'll restore power, eliminate noise, and ensure lasting reliability. Drive with confidence, knowing your Hemi is equipped with premium replacement components, all backed by a 1-year warranty. Number 3. Dodge Ram 5.7 Hemi Non-MDS Camshaft Kit. Ready to unlock peak reliability and robust performance from your Hemi? Our Non-MDS Camshaft Kit is the definitive answer for 2009 to 2019 Ram 2500/3500 5.7 V8 owners. Ditch the common MDS headaches and embrace a simpler, more dependable engine setup engineered for longevity. This isn't just a camshaft. It's a complete powerhouse overhaul. We've meticulously bundled everything you need. The high-quality non-MDS camshaft, crucial new valve tappets, a comprehensive overhaul kit with all gaskets, and fresh cylinder head bolts for a secure, factory-grade reassembly. Engineered for precise fitment, matching OEM specifications, you'll tackle this job with confidence. We even include gloves. Restore your Hemi's legendary power, worry-free. Number 2. Thumpr Cam 09+ Hemi 5.7L 6.4L upgrade. Ready to unleash the beast within your 09 plus Hemi 5.7L/6.4L? Our Thumpr Cam delivers that iconic, aggressive idle sound you crave, instantly transforming your ride. Engineered for exhilarating performance, you'll experience excellent horsepower gains and a broad, powerful torque curve, especially in the mid to upper RPM range. Perfect for any muscle car or street rod, whether naturally aspirated or supercharged. And here's the best part for you DIY enthusiasts. Thanks to its innovative no springs required in SR design, installation is significantly simplified, saving you time and hassle. Just remember your phaser limiter and a custom tune, DOD delete recommended, to unlock its full potential. Get ready to feel the power and hear the roar. Number 1. Hemi 5.7 Engine Overhaul Kit 2009 to 2015. Is your 2009 to 2015 Hemi 5.7L lacking its legendary punch? Revitalize your engine with our comprehensive overhaul kit, meticulously assembled for a direct fit across Ram 1500, Dodge Durango, and Chrysler Aspen models. This all-inclusive package provides everything you need for a complete refresh, restoring peak performance. You'll find precision-matched MDS lifters, a new camshaft, full head and valve cover gasket sets, a robust timing chain kit, VVT gear, and a crucial oil pump. Address common wear points and say goodbye to sluggishness. Experience restored power, reliability, and efficiency, ensuring your Hemi runs strong for years. Rebuild with confidence, backed by our professional support and a 1-year warranty. So, that sums up my 10 best performance cam for 5.7 Hemi Ram. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.